So first I'm going to bake a little over a pound of chicken breast. I seasoned it with salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and I'm going to bake this in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit until it's cooked through. That'll be somewhere between 15 to 20 minutes. So my chicken is done. I'm going to let it rest for about 15 minutes. Then I'm going to chop and shred it. At this point you can chop it, shred it, however you like, but this is what I'm going to use for my chicken salad. And it's definitely at least 1 pound of cooked chicken. Okay, so I'm going to be adding some roasted pumpkin seeds. Typically, when I was growing up, I had an aunt that made chicken salad this way, and she liked to add pecans or walnuts or even slivered almonds. But I'm a nut-free house, so I'm going to opt to use some roasted salted pumpkin seeds. I also have 1 celery stick that I'm going to chop, scallion, and some seedless grapes. And these are really good in chicken salad. So a lot of these ingredients are to your preference. If you don't want nuts or pumpkin seeds, exclude it. If you just want a little of the rest, it's really up to you. The ratios are up to you. I'm also going to be using some mayo or mayonnaise, some cracked black pepper, and salt. This is going to be a really simple but flavorful chicken salad. So I'm going to prep these ingredients and get the chicken ready, and we'll put it together. Okay. So I went ahead and chopped my chicken. I've already prepped my fresh vegetables. Now I'm going to put this chicken salad together. So I'm going to start off by adding 3/4 of a cup of mayonnaise. Now if you find that that is too much mayonnaise for you, then maybe start with a 1/2 cup. It's really up to you how creamy you want it or how much mayo you want in this. So I'm also going to add my chopped scallion, my celery. I ended up using 15 grapes and I cut them in half. Some of them I quartered them, the larger ones, but I used 15. And now my roasted salted pumpkin seeds. Again, walnuts and pecans are something my aunt always used. So I'm going to give this a mix, and you know what, before I forget, just a little bit of salt, because remember those roasted pumpkin seeds and the chicken were seasoned and salted. Now some cracked black pepper, and that is to taste. Probably going to add maybe a 1/4 teaspoon. And now combine well. Okay, so this is combined well, and this is perfect to make ahead of time. Cover it. You can do it the night before, and that'll really allow the scallions and the celery and everything to just come together and really taste flavorful. But my husband is hungry, so is my kid. So here I have some croissant rolls that I just sliced, and I'm going to make some chicken salad sandwiches. And that is what they are going to have today for lunch. And any leftovers, they can munch on it for dinner. This is a delicious way to have chicken salad. The combinations of the grape, the celery, the scallions, it's just great for chicken salad. This is pretty close to the way my tia used to make it. I believe she got her recipe from the Houston Chronicle long ago, and she always would bring this to family parties, or when we would visit her, she liked to make this chicken salad. And I do miss having pecans in this, but such is life. I'm a nut-free house, so the roasted pumpkin seeds definitely does the trick. I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.